Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we simplify crypto and Forex trading for beginners and pros alike. Today we're diving into the million-dollar question: why was Bitcoin really created? If you've been overwhelmed with terms like blockchain and peer-to-peer networks, don't worry, you're not alone. Let's break it down, starting with why Bitcoin was introduced and what problems it was meant to solve. Before Bitcoin, the internet lacked a way to send money directly without using a middleman like a bank. Imagine trying to send cash over the internet. It's impossible, right? You'd have to rely on a financial institution, which could delay transactions, charge fees, or even block them entirely. Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious creator of Bitcoin, wanted to fix this. He envisioned a world where digital cash, just like physical cash, could be sent directly from one person to another without a middleman. And that's where Bitcoin comes in. Decentralized, secure, and available to everyone globally. So what does this mean for you as a crypto or Forex trader? It means you can control your assets, trade without restrictions, and avoid the hidden fees of traditional systems. But it also brings new challenges, like understanding how to keep your digital wallet secure. Whether you're trading crypto or Forex, understanding Bitcoin and its decentralized nature is essential to making informed decisions. Bitcoin isn't just a trend, it's part of a financial revolution. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, because in our next video, we'll dive deeper into how Bitcoin affects the Forex market and how you can use it to your advantage in trading strategies. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going.